Hi all, quick unboxing for this iPhone. Time to upgrade my very old XS Max phone, this one, and it's time to upgrade. Almost 6 years, so it is time to look for the upgrade phone. So regular iPhone box with this masterpiece that came with a protector on the screen. I don't even have screen protector, so I will need to buy one. Maybe the old one will fit, I'm not sure, but maybe till I will get the new. Okay, so you can see everything like iPhone, clean and perfect, looks amazing. Coming just with the cable, no charger like all the new iPhones, and with the SIM ejector and a sticker with Apple logo. Of course, I'm not going to use it, and this is all that you get in this one. And if I will power it on, probably it will power on, I guess. Yes, the Apple logo. Basically, this is all you get: cable, SIM ejector, some manual or something, the box itself, and that's all. So that's all. Thank you and bye.